Hello, welcome to today's lesson. My name is Boniface Samson, and today we'll be discussing safety on road accident. Safety on road. Safety on road, or safety on the road. I hope none of you want to die. There are some steps we will take in order not to die while going on the road. By the way, what is road? Road is a pathway that vehicles, cars, human beings walks, or is a pathway that leads from one place to another. Road is a pathway that leads from one place to another. We have types of roads. We have path or track road. What is path or track road? This is a road created by pedestrians. Pedestrians are people that are walking on the road. They can create a road in the bush. When they are moving in the bush, they will push down the grasses, and from that place there will be a line, small line. Only pedestrian or cycle can pass that place. Vehicle cannot pass that place. It's called path or track road. We have driveway road. What is driveway road? It's a place that is connected to a public road and a building. Like if you want to enter a gate, maybe a company, when the gate is open and the car enter into it, you can see a gate there. That road, when the gate opens and a car enter into it and park, that small place car will enter is called driveway. It's always in a building. We have another one called highway road. Children, don't try going that place on your own. Highway road is a road that is filled up with many vehicles and cars. It's always busy. It's always busy. Before you cross that road, you have to look for assistance. Otherwise, you will die. Children, do you want to die? Good. Now we have another one called street/avenue. Street or avenue. This one is the road that is found within a street. In that one, you can see cars parking. You will see building near it. That one connects maybe highway road and a building, or city and small area that people build their house. We have sidewalk. Sidewalk is the place that pedestrians normally use. It's a road that human being that is on foot will walk. That place, car is not allowed to follow that one. Otherwise, there will be accident, and that person will be held responsible. We have another one called superhighway. Superhighway. Superhighway is a road that has double lane, double sides. That one is always busy. We call it double lane. It's divided into two. Cars will be going, other car will be going different direction. That one, before you cross that one, make sure you see an assistant. Don't go there alone. It's too dangerous. Superhighway. We have bridge and flyover. Bridge and flyover. If you look the other side, you can see bridge or flyover. That one is a road built on top of another road. It's a road that is higher than another road. There will be a road, they will build another thing on top of it. It's called flyover. And we have railway. That road is or railroad or railway. That one is only for train to pass through. It has tracks made with iron. If you look the other side, you can see railway. Now, what are the safety things or safety measures we are going to take in walking on this kind of road? Safety measure number 1: do not go to a busy road alone. You people are still small. Don't cross that place alone. And whenever you are crossing, watch carefully. If at all you are allowed to cross. How will you cross? Look left, you look right, and you look left again. Don't look 1 and 2 and rush. If you look left, you look right, and look left again. If there is no coming car or cycle, then you are allowed to cross. Another thing, make use of the pedestrian track. That is the road that is made for people that are on foot. It may be in form of a bridge, a step that you can climb, use and climb a highway, or a small place, a small path that is made for you to walk on. Don't walk at the center of the middle of the road, at the center of the road, because something bad can happen. We have another one. Another thing you have to do is do not cross road on a bend shape. There's a road called bend shape. That is a road that is like this. You cannot see the coming car, and the car cannot see you either, because that road is not straight. It's not straight, it's just like this. If you look the other side, you can see that kind of road. Do not cross that road when you are close. You must go far so that a vehicle will see you while crossing, and you will see the vehicle too. The next one, always make use of the zebra line. There's something called zebra line. That one, they paint it black, white, black, white, like zebra color. If you look the other side, you can't see it. Make use of it. Only with that, moving vehicle may stop for you to pass. The second one, do not play on the road. While going on the road, listen carefully. Don't walk at the center and don't play, because anything can happen and they will call it accident. It may lead to death, and once you die, you go to hellfire. I believe with this you can do many things and be safe. See you next time. Bye.